Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off charging sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, okay, go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this. In sounds and vibration, scroll down and find the system sounds. Okay, tap the system sounds. In system sounds, you can see the charging. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the charging sounds on your Samsung Galaxy A02, what you'll have to do is turn on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on the charging sounds on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to turn off, you'll have to do is turn off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the charging sounds on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off charging sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.